Hello, dear brothers and sisters. I am Jagdish Buranan, the urine therapist from Bangalore, and we will be discussing to prevent and cure coronavirus COVID 19 with urine therapy known as Shivambu, the nectar of life. Urine therapy is free of cost and can be practiced at home. I am the author of two books, Natural Benefits of Urine Therapy and Cure Cancer with Urine Therapy. My books are published by Notion Press, Chennai, in English, Hindi, Kannada, Tamil, Telugu, Gujarati, and Marathi. It contains 75 testimonials of the patients who have achieved benefits and have relief from their sufferings. Breakthrough of coronavirus in China has infected people across the world. It is estimated that according to worldwide statistics, 7 lakhs people have died due to coronavirus since its breakout up to 31st July 2020. It is also estimated, according to the worldwide status, about 10 millions, that is 100 lakhs people have died due to cancer every year throughout the world. In India alone, about 8 lakhs people die due to cancer every year. The epidemic of coronavirus COVID 19 has created a panic and fear among the people throughout the world. Comparing to the COVID 19 death, people died due to cancer are very high. I have treated and cured thousands of people suffering from cancer, HIV, cerebral palsy, nephritic syndrome, and all other various chronic diseases with urine therapy. For more details, you can visit my website www.urinetherapy.in to read number of testimonials and watch video recording of the patients. I would like to speak on the most effective natural remedy to prevent and cure coronavirus COVID 19 with urine therapy known as Shivambu, the nectar of life. Urine therapy can prevent, control, and cure coronavirus, cancer, HIV, and all kinds of diseases. It can strengthen, boost, and increase the immunity system. It contains the necessary proteins and vitamins required for our body to defeat the virus infection. Urine is not a waste product, it is a serum byproduct of blood filtration. Urine is a watery part of the blood. It contains 95% of water and 5% of vitamins and proteins. It is 100% safe and does not have any side effects. Our urine, auto urine, contains a multiple natural proteins. The clean and the white color urine, like water, does not contain any smell and can be obtained from our body by maintaining a proper and healthy diet. The color and the taste of the urine depends upon the person, what they eat and drink. Urine therapy can be practiced and followed in an easy method at home. They can also practice yoga, exercise, walking, and all other natural activities along with urine therapy. Urine therapy, known as the Shivambu, is one of the best natural remedy. It is beneficial for coronavirus, breast cancer, bones, lungs, stomach, ovarian, mouth, and all kinds of cancer diseases. It is also beneficial for HIV, diabetes, cerebral palsy, nephritic syndrome, obesity, paralysis, infertility, stomach pain, arthritis, gallbladder stones, hypertension, hair fall, piles, sinuses, skin disease, white patches, throat disease, eyes, ear, nose, and all other various problems. Urine, which is known as Shivambu, is not the poison. In fact, it is Amrita, the nectar of life, which can control and cure all kinds of diseases. It is an entirely drugless system of healing and curing host of diseases which has been continuing from generation to generation from the ancient ages. Urine contains the following proteins and vitamins: urea, creatinine, ammonia, sodium, calcium, magnesium, sulfate, phosphate, and potassium. Urine therapy, Shivambu, is the best remedy and the best solution for coronavirus, cancer, HIV, cerebral palsy, and all kinds of diseases. To prove the fact, I am submitting the following two testimonials. Srimati Vinoda Shetty, age 55 years, had a severe pain in the stomach. She consulted Dr. Rohan Chandra Ghati, oncologist at Father Mullah Medical Hospital, Mangalore. She was diagnosed with stomach cancer, carcinoma stomach, in the August 2010. Under instructions from her doctor, she underwent 3 cycles of chemotherapy in CT scan in 2010. She did not get any relief from chemotherapy treatment and she got various side effects of acidity, gastric problem, vomiting, fever, and low blood sugar. So the doctor advised her to undergo surgery for removal of full stomach and explained her that the food pipe will be connected to her small intestine and she will be fed with the liquid every 15 minutes. She will be totally bedridden. Doctor also advised her that the outcome of surgery may or may not be successful. Srimati Vijayalakshmi Shetty started urine therapy on 16 December 2010 and in a short period of 30 days she gradually improved and was relieved from her stomach pain, acidity, gastric problem, vomiting, hair loss, swelling in her body and all her problems. After 5 months, she once again consulted Dr. Rohan Chandra Ghati, oncologist, and after examination, doctor said that the disease was stable and advised her to continue urine therapy. She became energetic and was able to do her normal activities and she continued her hale and healthy life. According to doctor's advice, if she had opted for surgery and removal of her stomach, she would have been bedridden in the critical condition for lifelong. Srimati Vijayalakshmi Shetty recovered and achieved benefits with urine therapy Shivambu as it was not possible for her doctors to treat her with allopathic medicines. You can view her video recording of Vijayalakshmi Shetty on my YouTube channel. Baby Amrita, 9 years old girl, had a multiple problem by birth. She was diagnosed with cerebral palsy, mental retardation, and generalized seizure disorder. Her parents had taken her to a number of hospitals and spent a huge amount, but they could not find any improvement in her health. She was in a vegetative state, did not show any meaningful responses, such as following the object with their eyes. Her eyeball was not visible clearly and she was not able to hold her neck. Her hands, legs, and spine were curved. She was not responding to sound and could not recognize her sister and her parents. On my advice, her mother Lata Manjunath started urine therapy for her daughter baby Amrita in 2009. She recovered from her vegetative state and she gradually started improving day by day and she got a remarkable improvement in her mental and physical health. Her eyeballs were clearly visible and she was able to focus and indicate that she is hungry. Her neck control was better and was able to stand with some support. She was responding to the sound and enjoying music. She got a good improvement in her physical and mental health and also gained weight. Baby Amrita achieved benefits with urine therapy which she could not get from allopathic, Ayurvedic, homeopathic treatment for 9 years. View video recording of baby Amrita and mother Lata on YouTube channel. The above two testimonies and the video recording of the cancer and the cerebral palsy patients can be recorded as a proof and evidence that urine therapy Shivambu is the best remedy to prevent and cure ailments which cannot be treated with allopathic, Ayurvedic, homeopathy or any other medicines. Urine therapy is a universal medicine remedy for all kinds of various diseases. The healing power is within us. It is the best remedy for every external and internal diseases of the body. Persons can drink urine, massage their body with the urine, keep urine wet pack on the stomach and the infected parts of the body. They can also put urine drops in the eyes, ears and nose. It is 100% safe and does not have any side effects. Urine is the best tonic. By drinking urine, the person's internal body gets clean, regenerated, and they will feel energy flow in their body. It will revive and rebuild the resistant power of the vital organs like brain, heart, lungs, pancreas, and liver, etc., which get damaged due to some disease. By massaging and applying urine on the body, most complex disease of skin and totally cured and the skin becomes clear and soft. For the tumors and numbness of the body parts and paralysis, The massaging with the urine is very effective and the stiff joints become loose, flexible and mobile. By keeping urine wet pad, person can be relieved from many problems. Urine known as Shivambu is an ancient method of natural treatment which is continuing from ancient ages. It is nothing new, instead, it is a time proven method of curing even diseases which has been handed over down from generation to generation in every civilization. Urine therapy is known as the Shivambu, the nectar of life. Lord Shiva has narrated the benefits of urine therapy to Mother Parvati, which has been referred in the ancient books Dhamma Tantra and Shivambu Kalpa Vidhi in Vedas, which has also been referred in Shivambu Kalpa Vidhi, part of 5000 old documents. In Ayurveda, human urine Shivambu has been repeated and termed as the anti-poison and life-giving. It is also an ancient method of yoga practice. The following are the ancient quotations. The cosmetic soul knows its need and to itself that which belongs to it. Auto urine is a divine nectar from Dhamma Tantra by Lord Shiva. Remedy. Your remedy is in you, you do not observe it. Your ailment is from yourself, but you do not register it. By Hazrat Ali. Drink water out of thine own cistern, the Proverb 5:15 in the Holy Bibles. There are numerous references of urine and bestowal of the healthy life, super healing power in yogic and tantric books. The name given to urine in yogic tantric tradition is Shivambu, meaning water of Shiva, the holy liquid. People who have practiced and adopted urine therapy Shivambu and achieved benefits are aware that the urine is Amrita, known as the nectar of life. I have posted letters to Sri Narendra Modi, Honorable Prime Minister of India, Dr. Poonam Singh, Director of the World Health Organization (WHO), Professor Balram, Director of Indian Council of Medical Research Department, Dr. Harshvardhan, Honorable Union Minister of India, Shri B.S. Yediyurappa, Honorable Chief Minister of Karnataka, requesting all of them to conduct clinical trial, comparative study and efficiency of allopathic treatment versus urine therapy Shivambu and promote urine therapy. I feel sorry to state that the letters posted to Prime Minister, WHO, ICMR, Health Minister and Chief Minister do not reach them, as their personal secretaries simply forward it to Ayush or any other health department. There are a lot of evidence, information on the internet supporting urine therapy. If the electronic media, print and the digital media conducts to survey to find out how many people are practicing urine therapy, they'll be surprised to find that millions and millions of people are practicing urine therapy in India and in all over the countries throughout the world. Urine is a universal and excellent remedy. Until you try it, you will never know its benefits. Unfortunately, due to the lacking of scientific data, urine therapy Shivambu has been forgotten and discarded by the human society. Scientists are aware that the human urine contains chemical compounds. Why are the scientists not able to find out the efficiency of urine, which has a natural healing power to treat coronavirus and all other host of diseases? I would like to submit that based on the experience of several decades, the persons who drink 1 liter of fresh urine every day will not be infected with coronavirus COVID-19. The persons who have been tested COVID-19 positive can defeat the virus infection, and within 5 to 7 days, their medical test will show COVID-19 negative after adopting urine therapy Shivambu. Government is conducting clinical trial on and other various efforts to prevent, control and cure coronavirus disease outbreak situation epidemic. They are also advising people for social distance and quarantine. Social distance and quarantine is not the solution or remedy for this disease. Urine therapy Shivambu is the best solution and the best remedy for coronavirus COVID-19 and all kind of diseases. It is estimated that there are 8,000 diseases in the world. It is the best remedy for all diseases. The healing power is within us. I would appeal I would like to appeal and request the central government and state government seriously to take into consideration and conduct a clinical trial, comparative study, and efficiency of allopathic treatment versus urine therapy and promote urine therapy Shivambu. I'll be happy to contribute my experience and knowledge in conduct of this study. Urine therapy Shivambu can save millions of lives throughout the world. Dear brothers and sisters, before closing the speech, I would like to add that I have presented the introduction of urine therapy, ancient reference, natural healing powers, contents of proteins and vitamins, testimonies, and the video recording of the patients. Hope every one of you are satisfied and convinced that urine Shivambu nectar of life is a divine panacea and the best remedy for healing host of diseases. God has given us this precious gift, urine from very birth. Join your hands, adopt and practice, promote urine therapy, Shivambu, the nectar of life, and relieve the suffering of the mankind. Jagdish R. Burani, website www.urinetherapy.in, mobile 93428 72578. Thank you. Jai Hind.